you gotta knead it real good, right? That's what I hear. Knead it real good. Yeah. Hiya, hiya, hiya. All right, I'm about to show you guys how to do, this is a new chapati recipe I just came up with. So here go the first thing that I'm gonna do is turn on the, boil this water. I'm gonna have some hot water with it. Here's the ingredients. It's really simple, it's so good. It is so freaking good. First thing, this is the chapati flour that I use. I don't even know the name of it. Here we go. Something, I don't know, Chiquilla Alta chapati flour. I'm gonna use some salt, some chili powder, some garlic powder. I'm gonna use some grated Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna use some red sweet paprika powder, and I'm gonna use a little bit of curry. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of this chapati flour in this bowl. I'm making another batch, that's why I'm reusing the same bowl, so I don't want you to be like, this is dirty. The bowl's dirty. I'm just using another one. So here's my chapati flour. I'm gonna put some salt up in here. Whoa. I'm gonna put some of this chili powder. Okay. Up in there. Garlic powder. I'm gonna open up the big side of it. Put some garlic powder up in there. Boom. And make sure it tastes good. Put some of this Parmesan cheese up in here. Got it. And then I'm gonna put some of this red paprika, sweet paprika up in here. Here we go. Oh, that's enough. Now I'm putting me a little bit of curry up in here. Boom. This thing gonna taste so good. And then I'm actually gonna put a little bit of sugar also. Here we go. I'm gonna put a little bit of, this is some sugar. I'll probably put another spoon of it. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna mix this around. Whoa. Just like that. Here we go. Give it a nice mix. I'm telling you, this thing's gonna be so good. I mean, for real. Next thing I'm gonna put me a little bit of oil. Use whatever kind of oil you want. I would normally do olive oil. I'm a little low on that. Put a little bit of oil in there. And then once this, I'm gonna see if this water is hot enough. Let me check. Yeah, this is cool right here. It's boiling. I see a little bit of it boiling, so that's warm enough. And then you just kind of eyeball. I'm not gonna put too much in here. I'm just pour the water a little bit. I think that's cool. What I'll do is, so I don't get my hands, I'm not sure if it's gonna be too hot. I'll start the mixing with the spoon first. So I'm gonna give this a nice mix, and you'll see it form. See, it's already starting to form a little something. This tastes so good, and you know what? I used to buy chapatis up in the store, and then like when I've been places like Kenya and like India, because you know I like to travel. I be getting around, right? If you check out any of my Expat D YouTube show, you see that I do travel videos and talk about living life abroad. Okay, so as you can see, this is starting to form right here. But I used to buy these, and I was so fascinated. Like, man, this chapati thing, it tastes so good, right? The one I like was in Kenya. By the way, what they told me when I went to a grocery store, the person that was ringing me up was from Kenya, and they said it's better to use hot water. Okay? This is not like a Kenyan recipe here. This is my own, the spices I put. This thing was really good. So as you can see, I'm mixing this into a little ball. It's turning out pretty nice, just like that. Really easy, getting into a ball. Very, very simple. Look at this. Look at the color. It's so brown and nice and kind of like a dark orange, kind of light brown, dark orange. Beautiful. That's how you know it's going to be good. So it's right here. And then here's the ball. All right. You got to knead it real good, right? That's what I hear. Knead it real good. Yeah. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Oh man, look at that. That's easy right here. Look at that. Boom. So here we go. This one's starting to warm up. You flip it. Oh yeah. Come on now. Come on now. The smell. It smells good. You can smell those spices. You can smell the curd. Last thing that you can do is put you a little bit of butter on it at the end. Okay, so I just I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm kind of just rubbing a little bit of butter on it. Okay, you could use a different method for this, but you don't need. It's going to taste good whether you have it or not. I'm just showing off at this point. Putting some butter on it. I need to come up with like an official name. Put in the comment like if you have a name for this. Like this is my own version, but man. It'd be pretty cool to have a name for this type of chapati.